So let's talk about how to fund our account inside of Facebook, so we can use it to run Facebook ads or Instagram adverts. So the first step here is to come to your billings and payments. So you have to find billings and payments, and then you see your ad account here. So as you can see, we have nothing here. So you can equally come to payment methods, but you can click on this add funds here. So you either use here, or you can come to payment methods, and then you can see all the payment methods that you have attached. So I'm doing this for a prepaid account. So when you use prepaid accounts, you need to fund it manually. All right. So I want to come back to account here, and then I click on add funds. This is where I put how much I want to fund. So let's say in this case, I want to fund maybe 3,000 Naira. You come here, you see pay by USSD. If you do not see this option, that means it's just not available to you yet. So I click on pay with USSD, and then I click on next. So you click on open pay by USSD. So you come here and you want to select your bank. So you click on select bank. You see all the banks available. So it's not all banks that support this at the moment. So I want to use Stanbic Bank here. So I select Stanbic Bank. So I come here, I put my phone number. This is the phone number I have attached to my Stanbic Bank account. So I click on this. I select the phone number, or I write out the phone number. I click on continue. So this is the amount here, and this is for Stanbic Bank. So all you have to do now is go to your mobile phone from the account you have connected to your bank account. So you want to type this code here. In this case, it will be 090. So please note that this code will be different depending on the bank that you are using. So I'm using Stanbic IBTC Bank. So once you type it, you send, like as if you are making a phone call, and then it's going to ask you to confirm. So you click on 1 in my case. So you select the account. Again, in my own case, your case might be different. So you want to put your PIN, and the PIN you use here is your authorization PIN, the PIN for your you use in your app. So this has completed. Remember, you have 4 minutes to do this. After 4 minutes, this will change. So I have been debited, and this should complete any moment from now. So I personally do not like to use the USSD method because there's just no way for you to confirm the payment. You just have to wait. So although my bank already debited me, but the fund has not yet come. So now all I have to do is just wait for it to arrive. And a better way for me would be to just use my card. And in the next video up here, I show you how to use your card to fund your Facebook account.